The $2 box of Q-tips give me defined curls on my natural hair. I've already prepped my hair by washing and conditioning. Today I used Cardi B's Very Good Beauty shampoo and conditioner. Now let's go ahead and get started with styling. To set my hair with the Q-tips, I'm going to be using the TreLuxe Untie the Knot Leave-In Conditioner for moisture. And then I'm going to be using the Doux Crazy Sexy Curl to give me some hold. I imagine it's going to take a lot of Q-tips to do this. I actually only have like half a box of Q-tips, so hopefully that's enough. I'm gonna go ahead and split my hair into 4 sections just to make it a little more easy. I have my water bottle here. I'm gonna add a little bit more water to my hair just because I've had it air drying for probably the last 2 hours. So I'm gonna untie the knot leave-in conditioner first. I am being heavy-handed with my leave-in conditioner just because this Crazy Sexy Curl mousse is really strong sometimes and I don't want my hair to be super crunchy. I don't know how big of sections to do. Maybe I'll try this much. Video that I saw that the girl did kind of like a wand wrap like this, but I also saw a girl that did it. She rolled it from the bottom up, but I think I'm gonna do the like wand wrap. I'll just do 1 pump of this on this section. Push this through. Also, I have rubber bands because that's how they tie them off. Then I have my Q-tip. I'm going to put it at the base, I guess, and then I'm just going to start wrapping this around. I guess I'm going to have to overlap it so that it can fit. And then you bend it kind of like you would a Flexi rod. I'm going to use a rubber band to secure it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the back and then I'll come in the front so y'all can like actually see what I'm doing. Okay, it's 2:30, I just finished the back. I did have to pause for a second for a phone call, so a few of those minutes were because of that. Get to the front. So I'm taking kind of medium-sized sections and then I'm using a pump of this Crazy Sexy Curl Q-tip. I'm gonna twist this base just a little bit. I didn't do that for the back. I started doing it kind of when I got to the crown of my head. I'm gonna twist the base, I'm gonna place this right behind this, and then I'm just gonna wrap it around like you would do if you were doing wand curls. And then my hair is longer than the Q-tip obviously, so then I'm just gonna start wrapping over the top of that first layer until I get to the end. And then I'm just gonna bend this down. And honestly, these probably would stay without rubber band. For extra security, I am going to add one. I've been surprised so far because these haven't been breaking or like they're not getting so soggy that they're not staying in place, which I was worried about. They're doing a good job of staying in place. The cotton ball tips haven't come off or anything like that. Honestly, this is a pretty easy process, especially if you are someone who's used to using like rods or flexi rods to do curl sets. It's pretty fast. Okay, I just finished. It's 2:48 p.m. Let these air dry and I'll be back to take these out with y'all. All right, y'all, I'm back. It's the next morning. These should be completely dry now. These are super easy to sleep in. Like, it literally felt like nothing was on my head. They're very light, obviously. It's just super comfortable. To take these out, I'm gonna use this TRESemmé Bonding Oil. Okay. I don't really know the best way to unravel these. I know the shrinkage is about to go crazy on these. Ooh, that one look nice. Y'all see it? It looks kind of nice. I don't know if the best way is to just slide them off. Maybe that's what I'll do. Okay, they're all out, and honestly, it definitely works. The shrinkage is kind of intense, but let's see what it looks like after separating. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil to my hands. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna continue separating on the other side and I'll be back. All right, so this is with everything separated. The curls are super defined and shrunken. Extremely shrunken. But the definition is definitely there. I separated each curl about 4 times. I'm gonna try picking this out and see what it looks like. Okay, I don't really know what to do with this because the curls are so tight. They look nice though. And if I had something to put my hair into a high puff with, that's probably what I would do. I think that would make a really cute curly puff. It looks good, it's just a lot of shrinkage. I don't really know what to do with it. All right, y'all, that's all I got. I think this turned out really good. I honestly feel like this is worth it to try if you don't mind a lot of shrinkage, because the curl definition is really good. Yeah, I don't really know how to style this right now just because it's so shrunken, but I imagine as it sits for a few days and grows, it'll be cute. Y'all let me know in the comments what you think of this heatless curl option. Honestly, I think it's a good one. It costs like $2 or $3 for Q-tips, and it's a lot less tension on the hair than like Flexi rods and other heatless curl tools I've tried so far. So I'm not mad at it except for the shrinkage. Anyways, y'all let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you're gonna try this or if you have tried it, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye.